Ivaliwe imigwaqo leya kulenyuvesi, Titjudeni ivale liketele elikhulu lekungena ngemva kokuthi umhlangano walabamele Titjudeni nebuholi benyuvesi ungabi impumelelo.
As a student, I'm very concerned because we need to be registered. We need to be registered so that we can proceed with the academic year. Nothing is happening. All they are doing is to extend the registration period.
No more fees falling. We want free education. 5 years have passed. We asked for fees to fall. They still didn't fall. You know, that was my first year. 4 years later, I'm still here singing the same song. So it gets redundant. It really does. First years have just arrived and now they're telling them to leave.
Lobuholi balenyuvesi bukhiphele ukuthi ativalwe tonke tikhungo talenyuvesi. Nadobe kunjalo ati mange kuphele amandla letidstudent letibhikishako.
There is no student who's going to vacate the campus tomorrow by 2 o'clock. We've got students who come from as far as Zimbabwe, as far as Nigeria, as far as KZN. Where are they supposed to go? So we are rejecting that and we're prepared to fight if needs be.
Many managements are coming out to clear students off. Our university must not hide behind SMSs and so-claimed debts. They must come out and deal with issues and clear our students, and our students must register.
Lenyuvesi sikhungo sayo eMahikeng sitawuchubeka nekuvalwa isikhathi lesingakabekwa.